How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market with my system, and I'm going to show you how exactly I do that and define these precise bottoms and my favorite stocks. And if you stay till the end, I do have a premium Discord with my best trades with entries and exits, and I'll post that link down below in the YouTube comment section, and it's only $6 a month, and I promise you, you will make way more money than that. But let me show you exactly how this system works so you can make lots of money and find reversals. So we all like to catch the bottom, and we want to know with confidence instead of just kind of like guessing random areas. This is how you get precise bottoms, and you time your entries a lot better. Now, this isn't going to go over my whole system, but this is going to go over a general idea. I customize these bands to make it so they are super overextended. So if you ever see price hit this red band, it will sell off. It has to, because price needs to correct. The blue band is where price has to correct to over time. It doesn't have to do it instantly. It can do it, I've seen a month to 2 months, but the longer it hasn't correct to it, the faster it will get there. The green band is where I look to buy. Obviously, this chart is so distorted because of the bands are so overextended because this price has just made massive moves up to the upside. So it's, having a hard time. As you can see, this long lower wick gives you a nice, gain just because it's on the buy signal here and it goes all the way back up, making you, if you just look at this, 34 cents to 40, 4 cents right there is a nice little gain there. But those are the kind of the entries you're kind of looking at, and obviously this was kind of near your best entry when it got near this spot right here on the green band, and then obviously shot up. No one can predict something like this. This is obviously big news that made this shoot up, and that's why it's well over the band like this. So what you want to do is obviously you want to buy near the green band, and you want to make sure you get precise entries. It does not mean you exactly get right at the green band. If it touches the green band, doesn't mean you buy. I use a lot of other technical stuff and tools in my toolbox to know what is a precise entry, and it's just very complicated to go over in the short amount of this time. But get the general rule is, if you have shares, you want to kind of, for sure, absolutely sell when it's near the red band, because that's, as you can see, people who are holding, they're like, okay, it's going to keep going higher. Price cannot, realistically, it's going to want to, correct itself. And that's what it does right here. And it goes down. It could absolutely take a new high, but just using technical aspects, it has to break this previous high right in here. And it looks like it kind of tested it and went down. But you do realize the red band is very short right here. There's not much room to the upside. The most room to the upside is when it's below this blue band for sure, like right in here, and then you can go all the way up. Yeah, so this is fun. PHUN, obviously it's been a massive runner, so obviously there's going to be eyes on it, and there's going to be a lot of chasers. You do not want to back hold it like right in here. If you bought it obviously above the red band and you just didn't know what's going on, you think this is going to go up to infinity, and then the next day it loses like everything, almost to the beginning of this pump right here. Went all the way to 48 to 16, and then it just keeps on pumping back now. So it's hard to say where it's going to end the pump. I do think it's going to diminish out. Definitely going to try to hit this blue band. And the worst case scenario is it could hit the green band and then lose all of it, what it's gained. And as you can see, this thing had a massive downtrend. So this little pump was definitely needed to help a lot of the shareholders for sure. And it's just been going crazy. But yeah, I guess when it does pump, it is big, as you can see right in here. Long wick up, and then it loses all the gains, and then some, and goes to the blue band. So it's just very risky to hold on to something that's been pumped a lot and not much room to the upside. Now here we're getting a little more room compared to this candle, but you just got to realize the best entry is for sure to wait till the green band. If you don't want to wait, have a retest at the blue band and then see if it resumes the uptrend. But that's my thoughts on PHUN. Me personally, I didn't get no entry on this because there is better setups in the market that actually do hit my green band or go a little lower, and then I can use other time frames and technical analysis to get into the best precise entry, and I have scaling rules to know, because it's impossible to get the exact bottom, but having scaling rules will make to get you have skin in the game and make the max amount of profits. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, I do have my best trades with my exact entries and exits. Just like how a ticker fun, I would tell everyone to get out at this, if anyone's in it, get out at that point. But I'm trying to look for the best trades that go with the system to make consistent money and be patient till they happen. And I just want to generalize the theory of this is how we find reversals, this is how we find the bottoms, and how you get precise entries, and then what we're looking for as the price target. The price target should always be your blue band because, like I said, that is where price corrects to. So it's safest to take that. But obviously, if it goes above the red band, you make more profits. But you just better get out fast because it's going to tank, as like I just saw you on PHUN. All right, guys. This is a very exciting. If you want to join, it's only $6 a month, and I will find you the best trades with the entries and exits. A lot of members, as you can see, this is what the premium Discord looks like. A lot of members have been vouching for it because the system does work, and it has made people lots of money depending on your account side. But I've only made it $6 for the small accounts that want to just try it, and it'll always be $6 if you buy it on desktop, because the phone does charge an iOS fee, so it's cheaper if you do it on desktop, but you will make a lot of money, and you're gonna get my exact guidance. I get an entry and an exit before I get in myself, and I post that all right here in the trade alerts. So it's very transparent. You won't find any other Discord that is this cheap, that makes this consistent returns. We're on a 6-month win streak of no loss because I am patient, I'm disciplined, and I do not have FOMO. If there is no trade, I do not take a trade because I don't want anyone bag holding. Because the worst type of trades is you trade because you're bored, and I do not trade like that. If my system right here does not show me a trade, I move on because I promise you there will be a trade that shows, but you just got to be patient. And that's what it is. And to give you the record, we do get about 2 trades a day, and I put out my entries, and if they hit, they make massive amount of returns. And that right there is what I like to do. Anyways, it's a very active Discord. We got a lot of members that can vouch for me. If you want to join, I'll put the link into the YouTube comment section, and I'll pin it so where you can join. And also give it a like, give it a subscribe, and share the video, and it helps the algorithm like that. And if you want to comment, that's even better. Tell me the trades you're in, or have any guidance on what me to do on any trades. I'd be more than happy to do it. But I will see you guys in the Discord if you watch this long, and I look forward to make massive amounts of money with this reversal system, and you will not regret it because it is a great system. You just got to trust the process, and I'll get you there, guys. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend.